Hello everyone, this is Fahim Ansari from RPIIT Institute of Pharmacy. Today we will discuss about the various type of ophthalmic preparations. That what are the ophthalmic preparations, what are the uses of the ophthalmic preparations, sir? First is what is the definition of ophthalmic preparations? They are the specialized dosage form designed to be instilled into the external surface of the eye. Only used for the topically or though have to be instilled into the eyes by drop, administered inside intraocular or adjuvant to the eye or used in the conjunction with an ophthalmic devices. The most commonly used ophthalmic preparations which are generally used are solutions, suspensions and ointments. The newest dosage form of ophthalmic drug deliveries are nowadays are popular are gels, gel forming solutions, ocular inserts or intravitreal injections and various type of implants. What type of drugs and maybe said the categorization of the ophthalmic preparations are myotics. One of the examples is pilocarpine, it's hydrochloride solutions. Second is mydriatics, atropines. Third is cycloplagiacics. One of the example is atropine and anti-inflammatory to remove the inflammation in the eyes, corticosteroids and anti-infective drugs or antibiotics, antiviral or antibacterial drugs or antifungal drugs can be used. The some others are used in the Azaya for glaucoma, anti-glaucoma drugs. Example is pilocarpine, adjuvants, irrigation solutions, and some of the diagnostic agents are used sodium fluorescence, and some of the anesthetics can be used here. Tetracaine. Some of the drugs are used in more than one category. Example, anti-glaucoma drugs, pilocarpine is also used for mydriatic use. Thank you.